Hello friends, hope you all are doing great and are staying safe and healthy during this time. In this video, we'll be seeing how to slice onions using a food processor. So I have a Kenwood kitchen machine. So to begin with, let's remove the outlet cover by just lifting it off. Now let's place the drive shaft onto the outlet. Now let's fit the bowl over the drive shaft. Align the handle above the on and off or the speed control switch, and then you will have to turn the bowl in a clockwise direction until you hear a clicking noise, just like in this video. Now this is the slicer disc. The knives are very sharp, so be very careful when you handle it. Hold it by the center grip always, and let's place it over the drive shaft. Now let's place the lid over the bowl, and once again you will have to turn it clockwise and align it until you hear the clicking sound or until the lid and the bowl interlock. Here I've cut a few onions into 2 halves and set aside. So let's power on the machine and check if we have assembled everything rightly. So yes, it's all working fine. So here I'm adding 1/2 of the onion into the feeder tube, and let's turn on the machine, and using the pusher, let's push the onion slowly. You can see how the onion is getting sliced. Similarly, we'll have to add in the other halves of the onion and continue slicing. So here you can see how well our onions have got sliced in no time. So friends, I hope this video was informative. If it was, please do give a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, I'm very glad to have you here. Please do not leave without hitting that subscribe button and the bell icon beside it, so as to stay updated of all the new videos which I post here. Until I see you all the next time, take care. Bye-bye.